Reach out and find your happily ever after.
We're back at Magic Kingdom. Woohoo! So we're back at Magic Kingdom. Look at them clouds in the background. Them clouds are beautiful. Look at them. Beautiful clouds. Anyway, there's Matthew, we've got Holly, we've got Lauren, we've got Tracy, and we're going to watch Happily Ever After tonight.
Right, welcome aboard, watch your head, watch your step, shoulders.
You're gonna give us a wave.
Use feet and legs inside while the tram is moving. And supervise your children.
Don't forget where you're parked. Write it down, right on your kid's forehead, but write it down. Well, tonight we're parked in Ursula 335. Don't forget, all these cars, and yours is just one of them. Don't lose your car. Write it down. Best tip you'll ever get as a car driver. Look at all them cars. Don't you have the missing one? That sky is beautiful tonight. And now we're going through bag check. Matthew's here. Monroe. Magic Kingdom all set up for Halloween party that started last night, the 17th of August. Halloween parties. It's still summer. Right, let's get ourselves checked in. It's looking like a busy night at Magic Kingdom. And I'm on the wrong side of the rope.
And they all live happily ever after. All we have to do is look inside our hearts and unlock the magic. and make them come true. For you are the key to unlocking your own humanity. Now go, let your dreams guide you. Reach out and find your happily ever after.
At the end of every day, there's a great big beautiful tomorrow, just a dream away. So it's late night at Magic Kingdom. We've been on a few rides. We've watched Carousel of Progress. We're now on the Barnstormer, and then we've got to go over to the Splash Mountain, Space Mountain and Big Thunder Mountain, and that should take us through to midnight when the park closes. But for now, this is the Barnstormer, and Matthew's at the front, Polly and Lauren on the second row, and I'm on the third. Woo! We've got the Magic Kingdom Mountain Challenge. It's 11 o'clock. The park shuts at 12 o'clock, and we're going to try and do Space Mountain, Splash Mountain and Big Thunder Mountain. We're on our way to Space Mountain, then we're going to leg over to the other side of the park. It's going to be a bit of a challenge, but I think we can do it. We'll definitely do 2. 3 might be a bit of a push, but we'll have a go. Matthew's got some energy back, he's over there. Lauren and Holly have got plenty of energy. Let's see where we can do it. There's a bit of a queue, not a great start. I've only got 53 minutes to ride all 3 mountains. I'm already thinking we're not going to do it. So it's just gone 10 past 11. There's a big line in front of us on Fast Pass. We're not going to do it. We haven't done one yet, and we're not going to do the 1 hour challenge. So there are 3 mountains. Let's see what we get. We'll definitely get this one done. We might get Splash or Big Thunder, but we'll see.
Thank you. An high-speed cheerleading roller coaster type ride in the dark that includes sharp turns, sudden drops, and stops. For a safe space flight, you should.
That's 1 mountain down. It took 24 minutes, so it's just on 11:30. The park shuts in half an hour. We are never going to do all 3 mountains tonight. Space Mountain just took too long, so we're going to try and get on Splash Mountain now, or maybe Big Thunder. It's still might even, the queues are quite big. We might not even do that, but we'll give it a go. There's still a chance. There's still a chance. So after legging it across the Splash Mountain, it's flipping closed. It's closed due to technical difficulties. I'll give them technical difficulties. I've just legged it. Anyway, rear instead on Big Thunder. So we're going to go on this and then see what happens. It might be working again, but I doubt it. Never mind. We give it a go. It weren't our fault. It's the widest ride in the wilderness. Matthew. Oh God! Oh! It was the widest ride in the wilderness! Oh! We might be able to do all 3 mountains. We couldn't do 3 mountains. Splash Mountain was shut. But we are doing Big Thunder Mountain twice. Hey! So we did 3 mountains after all. That's not bad, is it? That's not bad. I said we'd do 3 mountains. Look at all, we're all knackered. We said we'd do 3 mountains and we've done 3. What more do they want? Splash Mountain closed. Never mind. And when you look at the queue there, that means we're on the last ride of the night. There are no more. This is it. Just us on the last ride of the night. 3 mountains, 1 space, 2 on Big Thunder. Splash was closed. Okay, excited. What ride are you going on? What ride are you going on? Wildest ride in the wilderness. Now, is there anybody else to go on this ride tonight, or was that the last ride of the night? We're about to find out. Is there anybody on the station? Was that it? There is nobody left. We were on the last ride of the night, on the widest ride in the wilderness.
For your safety, remain seated with your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the train, and be sure to watch your kids.
Nobody left.
If any of you folks are wearing hats or glasses, best remove them.
The last ride of the night. It's always a good time walking out when it's so quiet, seeing what's going on. Nice and cool. It's been so warm this week. No, it's nice and cool. We're walking out in a nice chill pace. Back to find the car and then drive back to the villa. What a chaotic couple of hours that was. So we set ourselves a challenge at 11 o'clock to do all 3 mountains. The guy at Space Mountain that said at 25 past 11 we were never going to make it to Splash Mountain. We got on Splash Mountain. No, we didn't get on Splash Mountain, that was closed. We got on Big Thunder Mountain and then we got on Big Thunder Mountain again. So we might have failed the challenge, but we got on 3 mountains. A great day.
For your safety, remain seated with the doors closed, keeping your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside while the tram is moving. And supervise your children. Thank you.
There were certainly more cars around here before. There's not many knocking around now. As it's just gone 1 o'clock in the morning. So we've had a busy day at Universal Studios, then an hour back round the pool, and then back here at Magic Kingdom for loads of rides and the fireworks Happily Ever After, which were amazing. Every single year we see them, they're just brilliant. The Wishes were excellent. We watched Wishes lots of times since 2001 when we first came. But Happily Ever After takes fireworks to another level, amazing. And then we did lots of rides afterwards, tried getting into 3 mountains before the park closed at 12 o'clock. Sadly Splash Mountain was closed for maintenance, so we did Big Thunder Mountain twice and we did Space Mountain once, so we did get 3 mountains in. And with that, we'll bid you good night and we will see you tomorrow when we're back at Magic Kingdom. We have to drop Holly off in the morning and then we're back here for Thanksgiving at Liberty Tree Tavern, and then we'll see what happens the rest of the day. We will speak tomorrow. Goodbye. Good night.